Ever wondered how your personal computer operates? Well, the magic behind the screen is largely thanks to what we call a desktop system. This term broadly refers to an operating system designed for personal computers or workstations. The primary focus of these systems is to provide a user-friendly environment through a graphical user interface, or GUI, along with a suite of applications tailored to the tasks we perform on a daily basis. These systems support a myriad of features, from window management, allowing multiple applications to run simultaneously, to file management capabilities that make your life easier when dealing with documents, photos, or any other files. They also come with pre-installed applications, device support, networking capabilities, and prioritize your security and privacy. And let's not forget, they provide tools for system maintenance and updates too. Now let's delve a little deeper into these features, starting with the graphical user interface. User interaction with a computer is made simple by the graphical user interface, or GUI. The GUI is like a digital playground, where you can interact with your computer using graphical elements. It's a visual way of representing your computer's functionality, and it's designed to make your life easier. Think of icons, those little images that represent an application or function. You click on an icon and voila, you've just launched an application. Then there are windows, which house these applications, and menus that provide a list of options for you to choose from. And buttons. They're like digital switches that perform specific tasks when clicked. These elements work together to form the GUI, providing a user-friendly environment that simplifies tasks such as file management, application launching, and system configuration. It's all about making the computer more accessible and less intimidating. The GUI is your first point of interaction with your computer, but there's more to it. Let's talk about window management next. Ever noticed how you can run multiple applications at the same time on your screen? That's window management. This feature is a cornerstone of modern desktop systems, allowing for multitasking and enhancing productivity. Windowed environments let you have several applications open and running concurrently, each in its own separate window. Imagine you're drafting an email while also keeping an eye on a spreadsheet and perhaps also browsing the web. Each of these tasks happens in its own window, and you can switch between them with ease. But it's not just about running these applications. Window management also lets you manipulate these windows according to your preferences. Want to resize a window or move it to another part of your screen? No problem. Need to minimize a window or maybe maximize it to fill your entire screen? You can do that too. You can even stack windows, arranging them in an order that suits your workflow. Window management makes multitasking a breeze, but how about managing your files? That's where file management comes in. Need to organize your files and folders? File management is your friend. Let's dive right in. File management is a cornerstone of any desktop system. It's the silent hero that allows you to browse, copy, move, rename, delete, and organize your files and directories. Picture a personal librarian always at your service, ensuring that your data is cataloged and easily accessible. At the heart of file management lies the graphical file manager interface. It's a user-friendly tool, designed to make interacting with your files a breeze. It provides a visual representation of your data, allowing you to manipulate files as if they were physical objects. You can drag and drop files into folders, rename them with a single click, and even preview their content without opening them. It's a potent tool, offering convenience and efficiency rolled into one. And with search functionality, finding that elusive document becomes a matter of seconds, not minutes. File management keeps your data organized, but what about the applications you use? Let's examine application software. From browsing the web to creating documents, application software is at the heart of your tasks. Imagine a day without your web browser, email client, or word processor. Seems impossible, right? That's the power of application software. Pre-installed with your desktop operating system, these applications are your primary tools for productivity, communication, and entertainment. A web browser, for instance, not only lets you surf the internet, but also plays a pivotal role in online document editing, video streaming, and even web-based gaming. Then there's your email client, a one-stop solution to manage all your professional and personal communication needs. But what about creating presentations or crunching numbers? Your desktop system has you covered with office productivity software like word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation tools. And the beauty of it all? You're not limited to pre-installed software. You can extend your system's functionality by installing third-party applications. Application software expands the functionality of your system. But what about connecting your devices or accessing the internet? It's time to explore device support and networking. Device support and networking are the bridges between your system and the world. Let's kick off with device support. This term refers to the broad range of hardware devices that your desktop operating system can communicate with. We're talking everything from your keyboard and mouse to your printer, external storage devices, and even your camera. But how does this communication happen? Enter stage, device drivers. These are essentially the interpreters between your operating system and your hardware devices. When you click your mouse or punch a key, it's the device driver that translates this action into a language that your operating system can understand, thus ensuring smooth operation. Now let's shift gears and talk about networking. Networking is the magic that connects your system to other systems, be it in your local vicinity or halfway across the globe. Desktop operating systems come equipped with capabilities to connect to local area networks or LANs, wide area networks or WANs, and of course, the internet. Imagine your local coffee shop's Wi-Fi network. That's a LAN. Now, think about how you can send an email from your home in London to your friend in New York. That's possible because of WANs, which connect networks across large geographical areas. But it's not just about connecting. Networking also includes tools for configuring your network connections. For instance, you can set up file sharing between computers on the same network, or determine which network protocols to use. TCP/IP, for example, is a fundamental protocol that governs how data is sent and received over the internet. So whether it's about operating your keyboard or sending an email halfway across the globe, device support and networking play a crucial role in making your desktop system more than just an isolated machine. They are the bridges that connect your system to the world, ensuring that you can interact, share, and communicate effectively. Device support and networking connect your system to the world. But how do we keep it safe? Let's discuss security and privacy. In today's digital world, security and privacy are paramount. Desktop operating systems take this seriously, incorporating multiple layers of protection to safeguard your data and your system. The first line of defense is user authentication, often through passwords or biometrics, to prevent unauthorized access. But what about the data you store? That's where encryption comes in. It scrambles your data into unreadable text, which can only be deciphered with the correct key. Be it your personal files or business documents, encryption ensures they remain confidential and secure. And let's not forget about those pesky digital threats, viruses, malware, and the likes. Desktop operating systems usually come equipped with antivirus software, providing real-time protection against these threats. They scan your system, detect and remove any malicious software, keeping your system safe and sound. Remember, security and privacy protect your system, but maintaining its performance is equally important. Let's learn about system maintenance and updates. System maintenance and updates ensure your computer runs smoothly and stays up to date. Now let's delve into the various tools and utilities that make this possible. Software updates are akin to getting a tune-up for your car. They often come with improvements and bug fixes that enhance the overall performance of your system, keeping it in peak condition. System backups, on the other hand, are like insurance for your data. They safeguard your important files and folders by creating a copy that can be restored if needed, providing a safety net against data loss. Performance monitoring tools are your system's health check. They keep an eye on how your system is performing, helping you spot potential issues before they become major problems. And finally, troubleshooting utilities. These are like your system's first aid kit, ready to diagnose and fix common issues that might arise. System maintenance and updates keep your system running smoothly, ensuring you get the most out of your desktop system. So, that's a quick tour of desktop systems. We've explored the intricacies of graphical user interfaces, the art of window management, and the crucial role of file management. We've delved into the vast array of application software, the comprehensive device support, and the essential networking features that make these systems so versatile. We've also touched on the paramount importance of security and privacy measures, ensuring your digital world remains a safe space. And let's not forget the importance of system maintenance and updates, the unsung heroes that keep your desktop system running smoothly and efficiently. Each of these elements comes together to form the complex yet user-friendly desktop systems that are integral to our everyday lives. They allow us to navigate our digital world with ease, providing a platform for productivity, creativity, and connection. Remember, understanding your desktop system is the first step towards mastering your personal computer. Thanks for watching.